Hello you wonderful person. Right, let's go through together how to create an interval timer in PB intervals. So we're going to hit the plus button and hit the interval timer icon, and then we're going to give our timer a name. So my awesome HIIT session. There we go. Then we can adjust the settings here like rest periods and round count, etc. And we add an interval and we give it a name, everyone's favourite, and give it a time, so let's say a minute. And that is how we start building an interval timer, nice and easy. We jump out, we can see, there we go, starting to be built. So let's jump back in and see if I can give you more info. We had the name, we've got a colour, so we can change the colour of the icon. We can choose from these predefined swatches here, or you can jump in and create a custom swatch if you wanted and drag these sliders around and save it to our own colour library if you wanted. Very simple. You can choose your own interval alert styles, so different audio alerts available there. And we have some toggles for vibrate on alert and shuffle, so maybe you want to shuffle the order of your intervals. We then have rest periods, so maybe you want a standard 10-second rest period between each interval, or maybe you want to randomize that, maybe between 10 and 30 seconds. That's how you would do that. I will keep it as 0 for this because no reason at all, just because. Next we have round count. You can plus and minus that, very simple. And you can of course set rest periods between the round count and randomize that as well. Then we're on to the actual intervals, and you can see it's got the name, it's got the interval count, it's got the duration, and it's got the time it starts into the session. So if we tap on here, we can edit. We've got the name, duration, we can randomize as well. We can give it a specific color, so maybe we always want burpees to be yellow or our own color. We can do that as well. Whoops, too far. Back in. We've got halfway alert if you wanted to have that, and you can add instructions and motivational messages as well. Who needs motivation when we're doing burpees? Keep on it. And you can put emojis in there as well if you wanted to. So let's have that one. And I want this to appear 40 seconds into the interval, so I'll give it a 40-second delay. Nice and easy. And you can add more messages if you wanted to do that. So that's how you've created an interval. Let's add some more in. Let's add, let's say, lunges. Let's do this for a minute as well. And let's keep it red. Go back, add another. Let's cook our legs and say jump, split, squats. And let's do that for a minute as well. And give it a different colour. Dumph. There we go. Let's go and add a final one of, let's hit bike for this one, and let's do it a little bit longer. Let's do it for 5 minutes, and again choose a different colour. Back and back again, and you can see it's got the interval count, it's got the times, it's got everything there, brings it through. We can also duplicate, so select our items. In fact, let's deselect those. Let's do this in the order we want to paste, so I'll do it in this order. Copy, paste, and you can see it brings it in the order that we selected. So we've got a little bit of a pyramid thing going on here. You've got all the details there, the times. If we jump in, it brings the messages through as well. So interval 7 of 7, it brings everything you want through. And that's it. That's all there is to creating an interval timer in PB intervals. Super simple. And just hit play and away you go. Okay, that's it. Get out there, smash it, enjoy, stay awesome.